Hi everyone, this is Dr. Davis, and I'm going to show you some tricks for navigating the databases in CCP so that you can find sources for your essays in English 101. First, I need to log into my CCP. Then I'm going to go to the Student tab, click Libraries, and I'll start with a summon search right here. I have a topic: what role will artificial intelligence play in education in the next 10 years? So I'm going to put in my keywords. It's actually what role will AI play in higher education. I do a search. Now, over here, I'm going to click full text and limit it to full text articles. And I'm going to limit it to scholarly peer-reviewed articles because that's what you mainly need for the essays. Doing that over here. And then here we have a bunch of sources. You can click the full text that relate to my topic. But instead of going into those details, I'm going to show you some other databases. So what I did is I went over here and I clicked on databases and then databases A through Z. It pulls up this menu. I'm going to first click in EBSCO because this is the biggest database. I'm going to click all databases, select all databases, continue. Down here I'm going to click full text, scholarly peer reviewed. That's the same as I did before. I'm going to put higher education. I'm going to put AI or, and it's going to come up with other options for me. That looks right. I'm going to search. Excellent. If I went through these, I can click on the title. Here's the full text over on the left for the ones that have PDF. You can download these and save them to your computer if you want. A couple of other cool features about EBSCO. You can add this to your folder. You can add a bunch of things to your folder as long as you don't sign out of EBSCO. And then you go up to your folder and you can email your search items to yourself. So I emailed that to myself. One more cool feature in EBSCO is if you use EBSCO, you can go over to the Cite button, and to create your works cited page, you can scroll down to, we're going to use MLA style, copy that, paste it into your works cited page, I'm going to press Control-Shift-V, a trick that a student taught me. Nope, that's not working. And I can just change that. Double space special. This is the tricky thing, hanging. Okay. I just went over to paragraph and clicked on that. Back to the searches though. EBSCO is a really good place to look. If I were searching seriously in here, after I put higher education, I would change this to learning or teaching, because those are also words that would find results for me. And look at that, too many, so I'd probably focus on one at a time. Excellent. Two other databases I want to show you real quickly. For essay 1, you'll need definitions. So credo reference is a really good place to go for that. In this database, you don't have to put in a bunch of search terms that you just put in one. So I'm going to put in the term that I would need to define in my essay 1, artificial intelligence. Do a search. Now I can limit this to my field, which I would. Check this out, education. But first I'm going to look at the first topic page because they usually have a lot of information. Wow. And so now I can use this. This is something that you can email the sources to yourself. And also this gives you the citation, just like EBSCO did. I think that person's last name is before C. There we go. Anyway. I'm going to go back and show you one more database. If you click on databases A through Z, it'll bring this list back to this page. Another good source is JSTOR. You use that just like EBSCOhost, except you don't have to click full text peer reviewed because all the sources are full text and peer reviewed. This is another really great source. But I'm going to show you opposing viewpoints, which you can use for your topics as well. Not all the sources in opposing viewpoints are peer reviewed. Most of them are not. So just make sure that you use opposing viewpoints for your non-scholarly peer reviewed sources. I'm going to put artificial intelligence. I'm going to go to viewpoints. And then I would look through here. What's nice about opposing viewpoints is it often has opposite views, so that if you want to find a debate between two fields or two camps, you can find that in opposing viewpoints. In any case, that's my little tour of the academic databases. Please make sure that you're keeping up with research each week. You need to find a lot of sources for the essays. And send me a message in Canvas if you have any questions. Good luck.